Hello Year 9, welcome back to your lessons on and Inspector Calls. This is your first lesson looking at Act 3 following your interim assessment and plot recall activities that we've just been doing. So your do now task is on the board. What happened at the end of Act 2? What involvement did Mrs. Burling have in the death of Eva Smith? And what involvement did Mr. Burling have in the death of Eva Smith? Fairly simple, straightforward recall questions, so please pause this video, go and do those now. Okay, so our learning objective today, we're going to look at the plot and some characters in Act 3, and obviously we're doing that so that you understand the plot and the characters and you can write about those in your essays and ultimately in your exam. So, the next stage is to find the audiobook, which we've talked about lots of times. You literally just type in an Inspector Calls audiobook and you should see the one that comes up that we've used before. It's the one that looks like it's on a big poster with light bulbs around the edges to it. So I want you to listen to the start of Act 3, which starts just after 57 minutes, and carry on until 1 hour and 5 minutes, please. And write down anything that occurs that you don't understand so that we can talk about those things after. Please pause the video and do that now. So, now just write me a quick summary. What's happened? What are the events and the conversations that happen in those few minutes of the audiobook? So please pause and do that now. Amazing. Finally then, you've got some questions here about Eric. So what does he say his involvement is? Does he take any responsibility? What did he do that might make us question his moral qualities? So reading between the lines, we can infer that he did something, a couple of things really, that are criminal. So what are those two things that he did that are criminal? And yeah, that's fine. So, and then finally, if you could imagine this scene, how would the characters be standing now? Would they all still be sat around a table toasting with their glasses? Are they standing up, sitting down? How does that look? Okay, and is there anyone that's not there for this section of the story? And then that's it for today. We'll pick this up next lesson. Take care.